Hello and welcome to my gig. This is the basic package where you will get a professional typography design. Please note that this package only offers text-based design with simple icons for the front of the shirt. If you want more than just text, check out the standard package. This is the standard package which offers typography designs and simple graphic elements. You will also get a free walking t-shirt animation. This design is only for the front of the shirt. If you want a front and back design, please contact me to discuss your project. This is the premium package which I highly recommend. You will get everything the basic and standard package offers and more. This package offers simple and complex graphics, typography, and a free walking t-shirt animation. There is no other offer like this in the market. Please contact me before you order to avoid order cancellation.